In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept donations on Wix, free and easy. Start in your Wix dashboard and open the Pay Links section. This is where you'll create a simple checkout your supporters can use. Before we make the link, we'll add a placeholder item to your catalog so the link can reference it. Switch over to the catalog, then choose New Product. You'll see options like a t-shirt, shoes, or a skateboard. Pick any physical product template. This is just a stand-in for your donation item and won't be shipped. On the product page, type into the highlighted fields to give your item a clear name and purpose. For example, you can name it Donation and add a short description explaining your cause and how contributions will be used. Continue filling the highlighted fields you see, such as a simple image or logo, so the item looks trustworthy in checkout. If you're prompted about shipping, disable shipping or mark that shipping isn't required. For inventory, turn tracking off so you don't accidentally limit the number of donations. Keep everything straightforward. This product only exists to anchor your donation checkout. When you're done entering the highlighted fields, click Save to store the product. Now head to the Getting Paid section in your dashboard and create a new pay link. Choose the Catalog Item option, then click Next. Select the donation product you just created. On the setup screen, pick the Donate for a Cause option. This tells Wix to treat the checkout as a donation rather than a retail sale. Add the item to the link, then click Create Pay Link. Wix will generate a unique URL you can share anywhere, on your site, in emails, or on social media. Anyone who clicks it will land on a clean, secure checkout tied to your donation item. If you want, you can add suggested amounts and keep the description concise so donors know exactly what they're supporting. If you see an upgrade to get paid online prompt, that means you need a business plan to accept payments. Upgrading unlocks online payments and lets you connect a provider like Wix Payments, PayPal, or another gateway available in your region. After upgrading, complete your payment setup and verification so funds can be deposited to your account.